In this video, I'm going to be talking about this Crystal Quest inline shower filter, and we've been searching high and low for what we consider the best shower filter to remove contaminants from your shower water, so you have like smoother skin, smoother hair, and all that good stuff. And a lot of these things are made overseas where they don't have the same regulations. Introducing Crystal Quest, which is made in the US. It has a pretty sophisticated filtration system. So you can see the box, got some certifications, made in the US. Going to just show you what it looks like, install it, put the shower head on, and see what that all looks like. So one of the nice things about these inline filters, you can use any shower head that you want. It's pretty stout, this filter. So you have the housing like this, and then you have the cartridge, which is reversible, so pretty solid. So you can switch it out like after like 3 to 6 months and just flip it around. It's supposed to last you about a year. So looks like it's got these protective plugs in it. Pop those guys out. So this side threads onto the shower arm, and then you attach your shower head onto here. Just some things from the packaging. This removes chlorine, chloramines, VOCs, THMs, pesticides, sulfur, heavy metals, hydrogen sulfide, that rotten egg odor, iron oxides, rust in the water, dirt, sediment, and other odors. And it's pH balanced. So you can check them out, crystalquest.com, or you can get it through our website, theshowerheadstore.com. But I'm calling this the best shower filter that you're going to find out there. They partner with some big companies, big commercial companies. They're tried and true, have a lot of certifications. I've spoken with a couple of people from the company directly, and they have a good thing going over there on the East Coast. So I have the shower arm already primed with some Teflon tape. Looks like we have a rubber washer here that will get in there. Sometimes I'm a little weary about putting these washers in, because you can see there's kind of this cross fitting there, and when you put this rubber washer in, it closes it off even more, so that might reduce your flow and your pressure. So a good amount of Teflon tape will hopefully seal it. We'll give it a shot. Hand tighten. It is a plastic housing, so you don't want to like over tighten it, and you definitely don't want to cross thread it, so be gentle. From here, not using their tape, gonna use our tape. Has more thickness to it, more grip. It's all primed and ready to go. Just attach our combination shower head on here, and there you go. Looks nice and good. This is the Hammerhead Showers rain shower. And then we got our handheld. All right, and then we'll just run some water through it and see how it goes. So there's a lot of black stuff coming through, which it does say in the pamphlet that you want to run hot water for 2 to 3 minutes through it to flush out what they call the fine filtration media. So don't be startled by that. And I say that because I read the packaging, and it does use coconut shell granular activated carbon. Okay, so there is some coconut carbon in there. So I've been running the water for 30 seconds now, and it looks like it's starting to clear up, so don't be startled. So 2 to 3 minutes on this, and then you'll be good to go to take one of the cleanest showers you'll probably have ever taken from the comfort of your home. So, well, thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoy your new filtered shower.